open. Minnesota's largest candy store.
Start. So we're here at the largest candy store
Minnesota.
here in Minnesota.
Yep, Minnesota's largest candy store.
So we're just gonna drop buy some stuff here, but the original plan is we're going to the Minneopa
State Park. Yep,
Yeah,
this is
State
on the way to
Park.
Minneopa State Park.
Yeah.
So I thought, oh, let's stop by and get a few things.
Yeah.
Like the apple strudel.
Yeah.
I love the apple strudel.
If you can see, you can watch my old video for the bison thing. You can see the bison, but it's not visible, the bison. But this time, this is the perfect time to visit the Minneopa State Park to see the bisons and the baby. They have a baby there. So for now, we're gonna drop by here, yeah, to see the candy store again. We're in the candy store. Oh, it's a perfect
And they have an ATM inside.
weather. Oh, look at the weather. It's blue. And look at the stars. Oh, cute. Oh, cute. Oh, the grandmas. Do we need... Yeah, get the basket.
Oh, damn. Something to do.
Oh, the kids store.
Ooh, smells good. Okay.
So, we're gonna buy eggs. We're gonna buy eggs.
Yeah, but we'll come back and grab them because we're gonna look at the rest of the store. Yeah.
Okay.
So they have chicken eggs and duck eggs. So yeah.
So we got the apple.
We have apple strudel, my favorite thing to get here.
His favorite. Just the clips.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
It moves. Yep.
Tensor. Cool. Aww. When's the last time we're here? Last
Not
year.
long ago. We were here last year.
Yeah, we're just last year.
Oh, I didn't know
this-
that. Cool. They sell Duff. Lounge.
That's fun.
But this isn't beer. It's a energy
Oh,
drink
Simpsons.
or it's sparkling drink. Yeah, but it's in the
the
Simpsons.
beer?
That's the beer. Duff
Okay.
beer.
Okay.
Yep. See, the Simpsons.
Oh. Okay.
We'll get one. Oh, those.
Yep. That's the apple strudel. That's all-time favorite. It's good with vanilla ice cream.
Oh yeah, we need to buy ice cream.
With the vanilla ice cream. It's really good.
Cheese curds. Cheese. Ooh, smoked cheese straight. I do like smoked cheese.
So we're done. We're done shopping. So just we got the sausage, the apple.
We got some summer sausage, some cheese, apple strudel, of course, and then some duck eggs. Some
Duck
fresh local farm duck eggs. So,
yeah,
yep.
and some drinks. Yeah,
Yep,
to
and of course
try.
some sodas. Yep.
Sodas to drink, to try again. Okay.
Okay,
Now off to
Minneopa.
Minneopa.
Well, actually, we might see a few things before we get to Minneopa,
Yeah.
like the waterfall.
Oh yeah,
Hopefully
we're
there's-
gonna see the
Hopefully, there's
waterfall.
a lot of waterfalling. Last time we went there, it was so sad. It was like a little stream of water. It was...
Yeah.
Well, we can't eat, but we can drink.
You can drink. Yes. Okay, back in the car.
Drinking and driving. Duff beer.
Is that beer?
Just kidding, it's not beer. It's a orange sparkling soda.
Okay.
But in the show, Simpsons, Duff is beer. Okay, let's try this. Ew, it's still kind of cool, chill too. So.
Oh God, it's getting hot. That's the famous jelly bean there, and there's a Spider-Man there.
There
even
was a
before.
Spider-Man there.
But no, it's missing.
It's on vacation.
It's in vacation. It's in there. I think it's just in front.
No, I think it was on the side.
On the side.
Yeah.
It's in here. But right now it's not here anymore. It's the only one. Yeah. Oh,
it's actually not that good. It tastes kind of flat, and I mean it's sparkling.
It tastes, at the first sip, you can taste like Mountain Dew.
You get Mountain Dew, interesting. I don't taste Mountain Dew at all, but though, you know.
But it's bland.
Yeah, it's kind of bland. Yeah.
Okay, see you around.
All right then.
So we're here at the second stop. Our second stop. Ooh, look at this. I'm gonna wish.
Make a wish.
And okay, so we've been here before. That's this year, right? We've been here this last year. Oh, this last year. Wow, that's so many dandelion. That's dandelion, right?
Yep, those are all dandelions.
So we've been here last year to see the waterfall. So before it's empty, it's dry. But right now we'll see. Ooh, much water. Wow, it's pretty. Look at that. Oh. Wow. Wow. So this is the bridge. It's the bridge. Yeah. The waterfall. Let's go there. It's the waterfall.
Yep,
there.
behind us.
Selfie? Wow. I want to go there and splash. That's nice. Wow, that's great. So, yeah. Okay, selfie.
It'd be nice if the bridge was further back so you could see it more. You get a better picture from afar, a bit. But
Yeah.
that's okay. This is fine.
Yeah, that's fine. Aww, that's pretty. So, basahin natin yung pangalan ng falls. So, so ito yung neighborhood dito. Tahimik.
Okay, yep.
So, we're here at our second stop. The Minneopa Falls. Okay. See you the third spot.
Yeah, this is spot number 3. This is the Lookout Drive Scenic Overlook.
Yes.
This is Lookout Drive Scenic Overlook here in North Mankato.
Yeah.
And there's the overlook right there.
Yes.
Get a
It's
view.
the overlook view. Yes.
View of the river.
Wow, the
and-
green
Yeah,
trees.
the lush green.
So much green. And also they building a bridge
They're working on
out
a bridge
there.
right there. Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah.
Nice. Ooh, that's pretty. Look at this one. Oops, okay.
Just a quick little fun spot I thought we'd
Yeah.
look at since it's right here.
Okay. we'll go end up our final destination. Okay. So we're gonna stop muna to have a lunch. So this is the park. Ooh. So we're gonna have a lunch here because hindi pa kami nag-breakfast. So, ooh. And then after, we're gonna see the other poles here. It's the area. So we're gonna have a lunch. So, yes. So no one's here because it's weekdays. I'm sure it's weekend. There's a lot of people going here. So this is our food. I make some musubi. Yes. Okay, the drinks. Some drinks. Yep. Okay, let's eat. So this is the waterfall. Look at that! Wow! Oh wow! Oh my gosh! That's scary! Yep. Oh my gosh. Oh, someone's left the bowl.
Huh?
The swimming bowl.
Oh yeah, the beach ball.
Come on.
Take a selfie.
Selfie.
Nice.
Look at that. Wow.
Yeah. We go to the other side there, we can see this falls.
Wow, look at that. Yes. Wow.
It goes quite a ways too.
Wow. Oh, careful.
Try to take a photo. It's so nice. Let's see, stand right over here. There she is.
Wow. This is the Minneopa Waterfall. Come here, love. Come here.
What?
Much more.
Oh, I love that sound of falling water.
Oh. Oh, watershed. Okay, let's go.
Minneopa State Park sign. And we already purchased our permit back there, so
yeah.
yep,
It's
go
one
straight through.
permit, yeah,
Yep, go to the same
for
park.
a day.
I mean, well, it is the same park. It's just two
Yeah.
different parts.
Yeah.
Two different parts to the same
Uh-huh.
park. Yep.
Okay, where we are. We're gonna drive through the Bisons. Oh, I hope they are here. Wait, what?
Oh, it's closed! God damn it!
Mm,
Oh, the Bison range is closed.
no, I hate. Can you look at why?
No, it's closed Wednesdays.
What?
It says right there, the sign.
It's not showing the Google.
They didn't say the Bison thing. I mean, it said the station thing was closed, not the range.
What? We should research.
Research. I did. Google Maps wasn't properly labeled.
So we're just driving around here then. The camping area. Yeah, there's a camping area here. Yeah, if you want to. If you want to camp here, yeah, just look.
The Bison thing is closed Wednesday.
Nice. Oh, really? Just using the car?
Did you using the what?
The car, their car.
Well, yeah, you can do that too.
Why not?
Why not?
How much, you know? How much the camp?
Oh, I
if you
don't
want?
know. I have to go back and look it up.
Uh-huh.
I saw it before. I remember it wasn't too much.
I'm too excited to see the bison, especially the babies. They have babies, like 2. Yeah.
Why don't
What
we?
the-
We can try again tomorrow. How about that?
What?
What do you mean what?
We have. I mean, we
What?
have
Huh?
tomorrow, right?
What? What was planned tomorrow?
To go to the museum.
Yeah, at night. Remember?
At night.
It's free at night, 4 to 8 p.m. It's free.
Okay.
So we have all day tomorrow. Oh, then maybe tomorrow what we'll do is we'll come extra early because remember, the
Okay.
thing said the bison are active
Early in the morning.
Yeah.
And late afternoon?
Yeah, in the afternoon, yeah.
Yeah. So we going back here tomorrow.
Yep.
We're gonna continue our video tomorrow. See you tomorrow.
Yep.
So we're back after yesterday it's Wednesday, so it's closed. So yeah.
Okay, I gotta buy the vehicle permit.
So we're gonna buy again the vehicle
park right here.
permit.
I'm gonna get on.
It's cost $7.
Yep. For a day.
Yeah, for a day. So we need to buy again.
Yep.
And yeah, today is Thursday. Yeah, today is Thursday. Ah, so sad.
Yeah, there's the binoculars right here. So we go driving.
I'm so sad we didn't check. We didn't research about the schedule thing. The schedule thing to visit here. To see the bison. But now, yeah, for sure. It's open. That's so funny. But it's fun yesterday because it's a lot of stuff over we've seen. Like the waterfalls, the scenic view, what else? The roads, the views. Yeah. 2 waterfalls we seen yesterday. So this is the time to see the bison. So we're done. Oh, what time is it? It's 9:42. So it say the bison can see early in the morning. So yeah, hoping they are out now.
Awesome.
Yeah.
All right, have the pass. Let's go.
Yes, we are the pass. We are the pass. We're going now. Okay, I'll show you more. The bison thing. Yes.
Oh yeah.
Yes, they're open.
Yeah.
Okay.
There we go.
There we go. We're going
Bison
now.
drive.
It's the Bison Drive. Entering now. Entering the range. Bison are dangerous. Stay in your vehicle. Okay, we're here. We're entering now. Okay. So this is the area.
Taking us also the bison.
We're driving slowly, so I'm hoping they're out. They are out. Yeah. I have my previous vlog here, but yeah, the bison
And they were off in the distance, far away.
they're far away. So I hope this time. Yeah.
Stay in your vehicle.
Stay in your vehicle. So yeah. Oh, I'm hoping.
We'll stay here for a few hours. We'll drive back and forth for a few hours. And we'll also go up to the tower. Because remember up there, you can get a nice view of the whole field. You get a nice view of a good chunk of the field, so we can try and spot them from up there.
Also, I want to see the baby.
Yeah, I'll see the calves.
They have 2 babies. The bison babies. The bison babies. Where are you guys? Why? You hiding now? You're still sleeping?
Yeah, I'm sure they could be sleeping.
I saw on the videos on TikTok, they are on the
Like I said, we're gonna stay here for a few hours.
okay, yeah.
We'll stay in this park for a few hours. That rock looks almost like a bison.
So first we're gonna go to the tower. That's the tower. We're gonna use our binoculars, so we'll see if we can see a visible that's the tower. What's that?
Look, these are raspberries.
Ooh, raspberry.
Although they're not ready yet. You see, they're not ready yet. Yep.
Ah. But it's the tower. That's the field for the bisons. Oh my god, it looks they are not here. What happened to them? I wanna see the bisons, baby. The babies. So we're here. What? Can even see?
Huh?
I'm so sad. Why they're not out? So that's the field for the bisons. Yeah, if you can see, that's the car. There. Tell me.
What?
Tell me.
Tell you what. Why see? About to break grass.
The bisons.
And for some reason, the left side's broken. I think.
Oh.
What's
broken?
off? Let's look around with it.
Where are you? Where are you, bisons? Closer. Yes. There you go. I'm gonna.
Though in the tall grass, you can't get good footage of it, really. Yeah.
Okay, I use my phone then. Yeah. So yeah.
Yeah, you can see the tails moving. Yep. Tails to
Yeah.
whip them off. Yeah.
There you go. Yep. They're there. So it's a lot of them.
Mm-hmm.
So it's like more than 1, 2.
At least
At least
6.
6, yeah.
No, 8 of
7?
them.
Oh.
Yeah, like roughly 8. And if the calves are there too, then that would be yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
It's the bisons.
Yep, that's them over there. Yep. Oh, this nice car gave it away. Helped us find them. Yep.
So that's them. Yeah.
Yep. It's just I think it's just the one herd. I haven't heard anything about multiple herds, but though. Yeah. But then again, I think it's like they come and go through here. So. Oh yeah. Oh, good catch. They caught. Oh, nice. Very good. Oh, that's like picture clear. What you got?
Foundation. Bison just seems to be the right thing for us to do, to trial.
Yeah, you can see.
I've been familiar with them from childhood, having grandparents in the Yellowstone area, and becoming enamored. Dave purchased 3 to give us a try and get familiar with them, and we never looked back. We never regretted that decision. It's been very good. On 120 acres, our animals roam in pastures as a herd, and to watch them is, to me, every day it's that they're now the national mammal. And it was only through those efforts of all 3 segments of the bison herds be present to make that happen. Our missions, I believe, are very similar, that bison are bison.
Yeah, they're
Both
walking.
the
You see them?
National Bison Association and the Minnesota Buffalo. Others say this was doesn't giving the education out there is why it's important to bring back the animal that was near extinction in the late 1800s.
It's fine, love. It's fine. Okay. See, that's the baby.
Yeah,
See?
nice. Yep.
never felt at home until came back here.
Adorable, huh?
And I lived in this area longer
they're
than I've
moving
lived
out,
in
look.
people were in the 1830s.
Gosh, I count 3, 4.
That's the baby. That's the baby. Oh, it's 3.
It's like 3 of them.
And the missionaries at the time, the Indian
Oh,
agents,
1, 2, 3
and
yes.
they're talking
Oh,
A
about
bunch of them.
they're moving
buffaloes and
out. Oh, it's 4?
and how
Oh my
Gosh,
gosh.
oh, look, this.
Oh my God, it's a
There's
lot
like
of
8 and 8
babies.
more
Who
calves.
doesn't know that?
Holy cow.
Oh, that's so cute.
bunch
They're
of them.
moving out. Where are you going,
They're
guys?
inviting,
That's so
the
cute.
people
So they're there.
that long
So
ago,
I don't know where they're going.
175 years now,
Driving.
roamed in this area.
Not safe
To put in
driving?
perspective
Drive to
for
go there?
humanity.
No, we need to give them their space. Let
Oh,
them,
the
let them go
space.
much further up, and then we can start moving up again.
And the western plains.
But yeah, we'll let them clear out, and then we'll wait, and then we'll let these cars too go around and see where they're
I
at.
hope they were there. Huh?
They were part of
Oh my
people's
gosh.
everyday lives. That
Oh,
respect
there's so
for
many
them
babies.
as part
They're
of
so
that life
cute.
circle was very
Oh
strong.
my God, look at the
as well.
tails.
I hope people recognize that.
So cute! So cute!
So that's so cool to see them closer, walking with the babies. It's like more than, yeah, they are more than 10, and the babies are at least 10. I'm showing to this video so you can see how they live. Yeah. And now that's the weather right now, and more cars coming to see the bisons. Yeah. It's so cool to see them.
Oh yes, very cool.
We're gonna just one more circle.
Yeah, we're gonna leave, park for a bit, and then I'm gonna circle back around come back again. Yeah.
Just one more circle. So yeah.
See if we can catch them again, or if they're gonna move on, and maybe we'll see them walking again.
There was respect between the hunters and the buffalo. Now they became known as the buffalo. Their relatives were known as the Katunkastra and
So that's it. That's last. We had to circle back so we can see more the bisons, but this time they're more in the shades far. So yeah, now we're done. Oh, that's so cool and fun. If you're here in Minnesota, Minneopa, you should visit here. Yeah, that's the best time to see the bisons. Yeah, this season, the green seasons.
Why are these guys all stopping? Is there something out there, or are they just stopping?
Yeah, if you are here in Minneopa, you should go here. It's so fun to
Those are
do,
rocks, my bad.
especially with your family, your loved ones, with the grandchildren. It's gonna be fun. And also you can do some camping, hiking, picnics. Yeah, you should go visit here. Okay, that's our video for today's video, and see you the next one for more adventures together with my husband. Okay, bye bye. Say bye bye.